Chhatarpur Temple inside the third largest Durga temple in the world. Located in lush green area of South Delhi, Chhatarpur village has been crowned by the presence of Sri Adya Katyayani Shakti Peeth Mandir. The story of temple cannot be comprehended without looking at the significant role played by its founder, the great saint Sri Durga Charan Anuragi Baba Sant Nagpal. Prime mover of the Chhatarpur temple, Sant Nagpal. Born in 1925, Sant Nagpal was orphaned at a very tender age. Therefore, his journey of spirituality and divinity draws back to his innocent days of childhood. After travelling to various places in India, during his last days, Sant Nagpal finally settled in the Chhatarpur village and built the Chhatarpur temple in mid-70s. Due to selfless dedication of Sant Nagpal and his followers, the temple developed from scratch to 70 acres of land in 2.5 decades. Vision of Sant Nagpal. He visioned the temple as the abode of Ma Durga in various aspects and to achieve Sanatan Dharma with sincerity and humility. Of 9 discourses of Ma Durga, the 6th one, that is Ma Katyayani, resides in the Chhatarpur temple. Although the temple has been particularly dedicated to Ma Durga, but one can find deities of other gods and goddesses as well. The Holy Tree. The holy tree in the premises of the temple stands as an evidence of faith amongst the believers of Ma Katyayani. It was planted by Sant Nagpal, and people in large numbers come every day to tie a red cloth to the tree and make a wish. Architecture of the temple. If you have seen the temple, needless to say it is one of the largest temples in the country, spread over 70 acres with a couple of temples and samadhi of Sant Nagpal. The architecture of the temple resembles to that of temples in southern part in India. Worldwide followers. Sant Nagpal made sure that none of the worshippers get exploited by the priest and hence declared the act of offering as voluntary in the temple. The selfless service propagated by Sant Nagpali is still prevalent and is evident by the dispensary run by eminent doctors, which is absolutely free. It is this selflessness and purity of heart which distinguishes Sant Nagpal's vision from other commercialized temples. Perhaps this is the reason that Chhatarpur temple has become a pilgrimage for people not only in India but around the world as well. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.